Cooperative Bank of Kenya has continued to record positive post-COVID-19 performance, with the bank announcing a pre-tax profit of 15.3 billion shillings in 2022 Q2 results, which is a 45% growth compared to 10.5 billion recorded in the second quarter of last year. This delivered a competitive return on equity of 24.2% to shareholders. Net interest income grew by 11.8% from 18.8 billion shillings to 21.1 billion shillings, with total operating expenses increasing marginally by 2.5%. With regards to the subsidiaries, Cooperative Bank of South Sudan returned a profit of 55.5 million in the quarter compared to a loss of 290.1 million shillings in a similar period a year ago. Kingdom Bank, on the other hand, contributed a profit before tax of 405.9 million compared to 275 million shillings reported last year, representing a 48% growth year-on-year.
Point out of our ambitions.
On the other side, KCB Group reported net earnings of 19.6 billion shillings for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2022, which is a 28.4% rise from last year. The growth from 15.3 billion shillings was mainly driven by improvement in both the funded and non-funded income streams. Additionally, the international subsidiary increased their overall contributing to the group's performance.
Double-digit growth. The split of deposits between corporate and retail sitting at 53 and 47. Split between currencies, the bulk of our deposits in local currency.
If we want to raise our NFI contribution or share of contribution to 33%, and we are trying to be bold. This is, looking to regional businesses, scale that up. We've moved from a 5% contribution. We are ambitious to cross the 20% line.
Total operating income increased by 16.8%, mainly driven by a 29.9% growth in non-funded income. Meanwhile, National Bank of Kenya (NBK) has posted profit after tax of 729 million shillings in half-year results ending 31st June 2022, a relatively flat position compared to a similar period in 2021, coupled with a growth in income that's subdued by an increase in operating costs and loan loss provisions. Commenting on the results, NBK Acting Managing Director Peter Kioko said that there was steady growth in interest income, which the bank expects to increase in future periods when benefits from their current digitization and operational investments are realized. Linda Koskei, K24 Business.